Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add and remove tabs on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Gmail. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go to the top right corner, look for the shortcut Gmail, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, on screen we have the primary tab, which is currently empty. Personal messages and messages that don't appear in other tabs will be shown here. To add and remove tabs, click the inbox settings, which is on screen. And here we can select tabs to enable, choose which message categories to show as inbox tabs. Other messages will appear in the primary tab. We can also, if we want to, deselect all categories to go back to your old inbox. So let's now click on updates and forums, click on save, and there we have it. Primary, promotions, social, updates and forums, go back to inbox settings. We can remove promotions, social, updates, forums, click on save, and everything will now be all in one inbox. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.